What's going on, Smart Money Gang? You already know I love to see y'all faces, man, or either y'all love to see my face. I don't know what it is, but hey, man, I love y'all, man. You already know what it is, right? We coming back with a banger today, man. Y'all know what it is, as promised, Technical Tuesdays, right? So Technical Tuesdays, we get live and we get lit, right? We break down a couple pairs. We break down the sisters, right? Brothers and sisters, whatever they are, right? We break it down. NU, AU. Right now, let's go. So I'm already gonna hop into this thing and share the screen. You feel me? And then I want y'all all of my business, man. Let me go ahead and widen it up for y'all so y'all can see what's going on here. So y'all can see this NU pair that I've been telling y'all about. I told y'all to watch this area right here. So we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, didn't we? We got 3 touches, and what I tell y'all about them touches, man, y'all get 3 touches, man. It's on go. Good probability trading, right? So y'all know I love y'all to death though, right? But I do have to slap on this timer, man, because y'all don't be wanting to watch the videos for that long, man. So I be trying to make them like 10 minutes because I see I be having your attention for about a good 10 minutes, man. About a good 10 minutes, man. I'm not complaining. I'm loving it, all right? So let's hop right into it. Right now, we on NU, guys, and we about to break this down. We about to do it fast because we not about to play around. I already be going over this, man, because I'm trying to get y'all to just understand, man. You learn and adapt to one pair, man. Get rich off that one pair or a couple pairs, however you want to do it, but just try to find pairs that correlate, guys. And if you don't know about correlation, go back to the videos. I got videos up about correlation pairs, so go check that video out. I mean, everybody else hit, right? So let's get right into it. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you how to do your money, where to put your money, how to do all that. I can mentor you guys though. Y'all already know where the mentor is at. The mentorship is at smsfxmentors.com, right? So go ahead over there, check out all the free stuff that I have to offer, and then go ahead and sign up. And then I can mentor you guys and shorten your guys' learning curve with my mistakes, through my mistakes, guys. You know, that's about it, right? If you're not financially ready, you can't afford that ticket, do not buy into my class. Just come on for it. Come on here and learn for free. All right. So let's get it. Y'all know what time it is, man. I'm about to hop right into it. Let's do it. Hey, do it right. No, but look though. So look, we already got our key levels marked up for y'all who don't know, man. We got the 69 cent 500 area, 70 cent 500 area, 71, 500, 72, all the way on up, right? So we got major and minor. So the black is the minor, which is the weekly, and the gold is like the monthly, which is like major levels. We look at these levels because we like, okay, price can turn around at this level, or price can break through and continue at this level, but we're gonna watch that level, you feel me? So basically, same breakdown, same thing, same setup, monthly, weekly, daily, all the way back down to the 4 hours. So now we're in the 4 hour. We got our 4 hour resistance and we got our 4 hour support, right? So I'm gonna give you a little bit of background, right? So like last week, we was watching the same area around the 71,000 area. So we needed a break above the 71,000 area so that we can get to the 61,500 level or on up, right? To the maybe back to the 72,500 level, where it was at in the past. You know, that's what we was looking for, right? So as you've seen, we did not get a break of the 71,000 level, guys. So this is what I'm trying to show you guys and teach you guys. This is why I'm doing analysis, pre-market and markups, so that you guys can start understanding. So what happened was, right, we got a failure of a high, right? And we created a lower high, right? Then after that, we created another lower high and another failure to break the 71,000 level. So we got this big old push to the downside. Now, just because we got an entry point, we always got to have an exit point, right? So when we come back to this exit point over here, we look and we see exhaustion. We see a lot of trouble in this area right here, right? We see a lot of trouble in this area. And what is this area? It's the 0.7000 flat level, right? So this 0.7000 level, right? We need to break this level to see a continuation to the downside. If not, right, price can hit this 7,000 level, get down to the 7,000 level, keep hitting this 7,000 level, failure to break this 7,000 level, start rising up, right, off this 7,000 level. And then we get this push to the upside to the 7,500, or, you know, break through there. And then another push to the 71,500 level, right? Because we already been down at the 69,500 level right here for a minute, right? Then that's when we gained support and we made a higher low, right? And so then that's what pushed price up, back up to this exact zone, guys. So we're paying attention now, right? We're starting to pay attention to the number game, guys. So we're paying attention to the number game, and we're watching our numbers and in these points closely, because we know we can take place high probability trades off these points, right? So at this point, if you would have took this sale, you could have took a $10 sale, $20 sale, $100 sale, $100 lot size, whatever lot size you wanted, because good probability, right? We already seen a lot of confluences letting us know, okay, boom, we under the EMA, right? Boom, we under this resistance level. Boom, we're making lower highs. Boom. What happens? What do you expect to happen, right? So when this trade actually took off, it would have been so high probability that you would have been laughing straight to the bank with this ha 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 ha, right? You know what I'm saying? So, we would have been in our bag, right? We would have been in our bag. We would have been happy, guys. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to show you guys and tell you guys. Basically look at structure of the market, mark off your exhaustions, right? Mark off any patterns you see. Don't be scared, right? Do not be scared to mark up your charts based off what other people are saying and what other people doing, right? Mark up your spots, right? So me, like I said, personally, I could have made $1 million off this play because it was a high probability trade. And I knew where I was at on the board. I knew where I was at. I knew where I was going. So right now, like I said, pre-market analysis, we're just looking for price to break this 7,000 level, to continue to the downside to the 69,500 level, or we're looking at price to bounce off the 7,000 area, start forming higher highs, right, and higher lows, right, and then starting getting this pushed up to this upside to the 7,500 level, back up to the 71,000 level, or the 71,500 level, right? None of us is psychic, guys, and I don't want you to get into this stage to where you feel somebody is better than you, somebody is trading better than you, because you do not know these people's situation. You don't know how much money they got coming in. You don't know how much money they have. You don't know what their living situation is. You don't know what their bill amount is. You don't know if they even pay bills. Just relax, right? It's just you in the market. You got plenty of time. Don't let no one rush you. Don't let your girlfriend, your wife, your significant other, your husband, nobody rush you into making moves that you don't feel is the right move, guys. So basically what I'm saying is that a mentor, I don't care if it's your cousin, no one. Look at your account size. Look at what you're working with. Look at your probabilities, look at your confluences, and then you base the trade off of your knowledge, guys. So you put your stops at your knowledge, right? Because I can say, hey, put your stop at 69,500, and I can let it drop, and then okay, don't touch the 69,500, and then I can wait for that reversal for it to shoot up into profit. You might not, right? You might can't wait for that reversal. See, a lot of people probably got in real early here. A lot of people got in real early here. And say I got in right here for this sale right here that's coming up. I got in right here, even though that would be bad. But let's say right here I got in for the sale, right? I got in, I was like, okay, as soon as it touched this 7,500, that's probability for me. And say I got in for the sale. Even though this is a weak candle, it wouldn't have been probability for me because it was just too weak. It was just a big rejection from this area. Also, which indicated to me that price didn't want to go up. But at the end of the day, price still went up to this next level and touched this last high, right? And as soon as it touched this last high, what did it do? Drop all the way down. Now you would have had to wait. And then after it would have dropped and passed back to the 7,500, you would have been back in profit. You could have took it back down to your take profit area. But a lot of people is so caught in the fact that they either nervous, they either wait to take the trade, or they either too early. And then once they too early, and then it would have took them out, they would have got in here and it would have pushed them all the way back here. They would have got out. And the psychology in that would have been like, no, man, get out, whatever. Even though you could have got out and then try to retake the trade, but you would have got out and we would have been scared and we would have been like, oh man, my account getting low, my balance getting low, and then you would have missed out on all this, right? Same thing as vice versa is here. You would have got in here and you would have been like, oh, okay, boom, I'm about to go to the upside, right? And then you would have been like, okay, price finna go to the upside. I'm about to get in right now. Then price would have pulled back here on you, right? And then you would have been like, oh man, you would have got out and then price would have went in your direction. So sometimes, guys, just look at the psychology and then the methodology in it and make sure that it makes sense. So when you was right here, you could have been like, is it finna take off? If it do take off, I'm gonna let it take off, retrace, and then I'll get in, right? But a lot of us be like, FOMO, fear of missing out, and we don't do the work, right? We don't put in the work. So price making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So we would have been trying to get in for this buy up to this point, right? Because we would have been like, okay, we here, we're gonna take it up to here, right? So this is why I tell you guys to do the work, do the pre-markups, do the markups, go in there so that you know exactly where you are, even when you lead the charts for multiple time minutes at a time, or whatever the case is, right, guys? So like I told you guys, we're having problems at the 7,000 level. We're trying to break it, or we're trying to use it as support, right? All right, so as you see, it's keep bouncing off that 7,000, and that's just what it's doing. All right, so so sometimes, guys, you're not wrong. Your trade is not wrong. You're not throwed off. Don't let nobody throw you off. You're just early. So you got in too early. You got the pullback, and then price went to wherever it wanted to go. Okay. So same thing here. You got in early for the sale. You're like, okay, price for the sale right here. You got in early for the sale. Price pulled back right here. Then boom, price pulled you down. Now right here, you would have had to look at this a little more in detail, right? You'd have had to drop down to the 15-minute, because as you see, price is making what? Higher highs, and higher lows. So confirm low right here, higher low right here. Boom, push up to the upside. So really, guys, we making trading really, really difficult when we don't have to, guys. And this the same thing as for AD, right? I mean AU, whatever you want to call it, right? AU, AD, whatever you want to do, right? So it's the same difference, guys. So it's the same thing, right? Um, I probably got too many lines on here though right now, but you already know what it is, right? If anything, I will be trying to see. Okay, let's see what price is at right now, right? So price is like around this. I want to say 74,800 level, right? Price is at this 74,800 level, right? And it's having a time of his life to crack this 47,800. Usually I don't count these areas as no type of main areas, but as you see, I'm on this 800 level right here, and as you see, price hit it, right? Take profit, boom. Price hit this take profit, this 74,800 level, and then it's starting to push back off of it and bounce back up, right? So by that being said, we want to, the closing of this candle. So this candle just closed. Now we want to see, okay, boom, is price going to keep pushing to the upside, like keep pushing to the upside, or is it going to reverse and come back? Even if it do reverse and come back, long as it don't make a lower low, right, then we'll be looking for the buy. But if it comes down and make a lower low, even pull back a little bit, we're looking for that sell down here to this next level, or to this next level, guys. That's what you got to know, right? We're looking for the bounce off here and push up to the upside, or we're looking for the breakthrough here, pull back, and then shoot to the downside right here to this point right here to the last low. Okay, guys. So it's pretty much simple, man. All you got to do is come in here, put in the work, put your lines up, put your main key levels on, right? So we got our main key levels, 8,000. We got our mid levels, right? 8,000, 9,000, 7,000, right? So we got our mid levels. Now, at some point, price is trying to get somewhere though, right? So we was at this 8,000 level, right? Price came down here and played around, consolidated. Either we really trying to get this push down to the 7,000 level, or we finna see a failure to make a lower low, and then we finna start getting these pushback up to the upside, guys. So that's pretty much it for Technical Tuesdays, man. Y'all already know. Y'all can get a further breakdown on that. So smsfxmentors.com, man. Go check out the website for yourself. Go check out all the free content, free stuff that I had to offer, man. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you made it to the end, man, I really, 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 really appreciate you, man. So let's get it. Y'all know what time it is. Gang.